It's the semi on the Florida Turnpike that makes the illegal U-turn. A minivan comes behind it, crashes, goes under the semi-trailer, and unfortunately, all the occupants of the minivan passed away. So I'm going to review the video, kind of give you my opinion as a plaintiff's attorney. So here we go. You can see inside the cab, this just a devastating crash. Obviously there's very little survivability in a crash like that. But when I watched that video, what I'm really focused on, because we all know what happened to the minivan and its unfortunate occupants, but I'm focused on the defendant here. The defendant's semi-truck driver and their reaction. Their reaction is very indifferent. It's very ho-hum. Yeah, you get the opinion or the impression that they're just more concerned that, oh, this is going to slow up my day. My load's not going to get there on time. I'm going to have to deal with a police report, and not actually appreciating the severity of the situation that they caused. As a plaintiff's attorney, I'm going to want to show this video a lot and as much as I can to a jury for two reasons. One, obviously liability, right? You can see the semi-truck making that illegal U-turn. But two, you can see the reaction of that driver. And in a lawsuit, you do not want a jury mad at you, whether you're a plaintiff or a defendant. In this case, you're going to want to point out to the jury the driver's reaction and get that visceral anger that it's likely to cause. Because in a civil matter, the only way a jury can really punish a party, and in this case the defendant, is with the verdict amount, right? They can't throw them in jail. That's for our criminal justice system to decide and deal with. But when a jury's angry at you, especially a defendant, they're much more likely to give a much higher number on the verdict and compensate these victims' families for what they're seeing. So certainly wouldn't want to be a defense attorney trying to defend this case, but as a plaintiff's attorney, I'm going to get this video in as much as I can. Liability, bring out the emotions of the jury to get a better and bigger verdict.